Yo, what's up? It's Rome's World. Yo, time for an update on what we're doing with the duplex. So we're still on side one, and I'm gonna show you guys where we are today. Okay, so this is the living room. It is now completely sealed off. Here is an exhaust pipe for the heater, the gravity heater. I just now spray painted that. It was like this, cobalt metal color. Spray painted it so it'll better match the paint that we're gonna use in here. All right, ceiling fan's gonna go here. There's gonna be actually a hole cut in the ceiling where the heat rises up and it goes into the room above. So we're gonna cut that hole out from the top. Haven't gotten to that quite yet. We'll do it when we go to do the flooring. The kitchen, similar deal. Drywall is up. Today, I plan to paint the ceiling, right? So we can put the light fixtures in, get those light fixtures in. This will also be painted in here. And we'll put a flat flush mount light right here. And this will be where you hit the light switch for the pantry. And then this is gonna get sealed off, all that. Those closets will get pulled, all that stuff will get pulled out, and I haven't really decided yet. I don't know if we're gonna seal it down that way or we'll figure it out, We'll come up with a solution. Obviously, we'll close out the floor here. As far as the upstairs goes, this will all get cut out here, and the plan is to run some type of wood down here, just so obviously no one falls through this gigantic hole, but it'll kind of be like a see-through kind of thing, like a grating. All right, these stairs will get painted probably. I'm guessing I'm gonna paint them. I haven't figured it all out yet. Kind of doing this by the seat of my pants, but the electrician came in and he's put up one of the ceiling fans. He's got one mounted. He's gonna do all those for me. So this one, he's gonna get to that one a little bit here. But you guys, I think I may have done an update previously where I showed this room being finished or close to finished as far as the paint on the walls and the drywall. Bathroom's looking good. Got some flooring in here. Gonna get that plumbing done hopefully today. Gonna get this medicine cabinet in here. It's gonna look good when it's all done. Oh look, surprise! He has one of the lights up, flush mount light. We're gonna have a vanity light above this. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. I may even actually have to put it in sideways vertically. Either way, it'd be fine. I don't have a really strong preference about it. There's that custom sized tub. Yeah, that, my friends, is the close to 800 square feet of side A. So we're making progress. We're getting somewhere. More updates coming in the future. All right. Life, health, liberty, wisdom, love, prosperity, peace.